Hey everybody, this is Brett from Zoomer's RV of Iowa. What I want to show you today is a 2022 Keystone Outback Ultra Lite 244 UBH. It is stock number LM2000. It is on sale today for $28,900. It is 28 feet 11 inches long, has a dry weight of 5,654 pounds. It has the power tongue jack. It's got electric stabilizer jacks. It's got a fully walkable roof, which is a one-piece TPO membrane. It's got the durable fiberglass siding. It's already got Solar Flex 200 installed. It has a 15 BTU AC with true racetrack ducting. And it also has 50 amp service with wire and brace for second AC. It's got a 21-foot awning. As you can see, it's got the external kitchen with the little fridge and 2-burner stove. As you go inside here, to the right is the separate bedroom. You got your own private bedroom. You have an inverter on this unit, so you have plug-ins on both sides. You have a place to install a TV. Come out here, this is the kitchen area. You do have the refrigerator, TV, some storage, and a slide out. You got the dinette that will fold down into a table. You have the 2 double wide bunks with the capability of the bottom one to flip up with an external door to load bikes or whatever kind of camping stuff you want to load. Go in the bathroom here. It's got a nice size shower, little medicine cabinet. If you are interested in this camper, please give Brett a call at Zoomer's RV of Iowa at 641-329-2372. All right, thank you. Have a good day.